How to use Google VEO 3.1 for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. First of all, you will need to get Google One account. For that, simply open up your browser and search for Google One. After that, open up the very first link and this is where it will take you. Now over here, instead of clicking on this option of plans and pricing, select this option of Google AI, and over here you would get this option of try Google AI Pro for 1 month at no charge. Simply select it. Now after that, you would select this option of Google AI Pro and it is absolutely at no cost, so which is free. Simply get it, and after that simply search for Flow and open up the very first link. This is where it will take you. Now use the same email address that you used while getting the Google One account and sign into Flow account, and after that click on this option of new project, and this is where it will take you. But I have already created a project over here, but for you would get this but without this video screen over here. Here you can select all these different options in order to create a video using the text or the frames or anything that you want. And if you click on the option of settings, you would see the aspect ratio, which is portrait or landscape. You would be able to create the YouTube videos or the Instagram reels quite easily using these options, and select the option of view fast for low amount of credits, and this way you would be able to generate videos quite effectively. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.